Welcome back to Island Life Live. Now, we learned about our next guest and their line of products at Moloka'i Ko'olau at Windward Mall. And we were so impressed that we wanted you to meet them as well. Joining us now from K&K Ana Pākolu are Natalie. This is Natalie Luxon Sambahan. And sister, please introduce us to these two lovely ladies.
Yeah, Ōlelo. O ka wai ko'ina, he umikumakahi o umakahiki, aia a ma ka papa elima ma ke kula kaya puni o kuala pu'u. O Ruben ka leo lawa o Natalie Joy ko umamakua. O keia ko utita ka maluai pahe, a me ko umama Natalie Joy.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Perfect. All right.
All right. So if you can please tell us a little bit about your company. We were just amazed by the colors and how the light just kind of glints off of it. But tell us about what Ana Pākolu is all about and how you folks started.
Yes, mahalo for having us. Our business, our Ohana family business started last year after my husband did research of something that we can offer our community. So Moloka'i, we have so many beautiful entrepreneurs, we have chefs, artisans. So we wanted to provide a service for our community, and he chose 3D printing.
3D printing.
Yeah, so we're very, very fortunate that our community of Moloka'i supports us, and we just wanted to extend that to all of Hawaii.
That is so cool.
Now, I imagine you folks do 3D printing of other items, but you folks intentionally choose these items. You incorporate Ōlelo Hawaii in every single piece. And again, the intentionality, you're choosing specific animals. How do you make these choices, sis?
Yeah, mahalo for that question. So a lot of these holoholona Hawaii were chosen intentionally because many of them are mo'olelo that we and my daughters who are raised in Hawaiian immersion at Kulakai Puni o Kuala Pu'u, we learn about these mo'olelo through these different kupua or these holoholona Hawaii. So intentionally we chose them, and when customers come to us, not only do they have an experience of seeing the 3D art, but we want to normalize Ōlelo Hawaii in everyday situations. So we teach them the Hawaiian names for each holoholona, each animal, and in the tags there's also information about these holoholona Hawaii, how we care for them, and a little fact about them.
Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. So they can be entertained and educated at the same time.
Absolutely.
By picking up your guys' products. So we have, what do we have over here? Maybe
Kamalu?
Kamalu can explain to us what we got over here.
So, keia kekahi honu nui. O
honu nui, yes, no, yeah.
Keia kekahi mano. Keia kekahi mo. Kahi puhi. He'e. Pololia ame muhe'e.
Oh, I love the pololia. That's so cute.
And additionally, we have our famous Leimo'o. So last year we did an event with Ho'omau with Punana Leo o Moloka'i. And it was our keiki that named these the Leimo'o. So they wear them like Leimo'o. So
I love it, and get different head styles. Yeah, I can see that one look almost like Chinese dragon, and then this one looked like the kind the British dragon, and then this one looked like our Hawaii mo'o style dragon. Ooh.
I heard of lepo'o, now we get lemo'o.
Leimo'o. Mahalo to our keiki, Ōlelo Hawaii.
And we are going to be able to see you folks this weekend. Where?
Yes, we are going to be at Moloka'i and Eva.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yes, and at Holo Me Maui at Kapi'olani Park on Sunday.
Oh my God!
Yes.
Awesome. Well, we're gonna come find you folks. Okay.
Mahalo nui.
Right on. K&K Ana Pākolu from the island of Moloka'i. We have the beautiful Kauai, the beautiful Kamalu, and their mama Natalie. Thank you so much, ladies, for joining us.
Mahalo nui for having us.